Hello there. I'm going to be demoing these little frames that I printed for Kingdomino. They help to, especially younger kids, to visualize the 5x5 requirement of the kingdom in Kingdomino. And you can put it out at the beginning of the game and then leave it so your kid or kids, or even adults, can see the 5x5 grid at all points. Or, you can move it around and like bring it down and show that you can build in other directions if this wasn't there. Then you can be like, okay, this could be the corner of your kingdom or that corner. It's a nifty little print, and I think it's a nice little quality of life, especially when trying to introduce kids to games and rules. So I will say the best way I found to take these apart is to twist at the ties and not necessarily to bend this way and that way. You see, these just came off very easily because I was twisting them. They are sturdy enough to stay together, but I twist. Whoops, there you go. And yeah, these little ties are what holds them together. So by way of explaining the assembly, although it's not very difficult, you can just set this here and then take the tie and press it down on both of them. And now it is together. It's tough to get the correct focus here. But yeah, again, to take these apart, I don't really recommend going like this, although I think it'll still work. It's possible that it'll break. Same thing this way. This little plastic piece is under a lot of pressure this way that could break. So the easiest, simplest way is either, running your nail underneath it or just twisting it off. And the twist does not put a lot of stress on any point. So yeah, these are, I think, a nice quality of life improvement for Kingdomino. I actually store mine in the box assembled, so I don't ever really need to take it apart, but I understand a lot of people probably have different storage solutions. So good luck playing games with your kids and enjoy.